Today, I'll show you how to find elevation on Google Maps. Elevation tells you how high a place is above sea level. This can be useful for hiking, cycling, travel planning, land research, or checking the height of an area before visiting. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer. Search for the place where you want to check elevation. This can be a mountain, trail, park, city, landmark, or specific address. Once the location appears, zoom in on the map. Now open the Layers menu. On mobile, tap the Layers icon, usually shown as stacked squares. On desktop, move your mouse over Layers in the bottom left corner. Choose Terrain. Terrain view shows hills, mountains, and landscape details more clearly. On some areas, Google Maps may show contour lines or elevation markings when you zoom in. Zoom closer to the area and look for the elevation numbers on the contour lines. These numbers show the approximate height of the land. If you are planning a walking or cycling route, search for your destination and tap directions. Choose walking or cycling if available. Google Maps may show an elevation profile for some routes, especially for biking or hiking areas. This profile can help you see whether the route goes uphill or downhill. If you need exact elevation for a specific point, Google Maps may not always show it directly. In that case, you can use Google Earth. Open Google Earth, search for the location, and move your cursor over the map. Google Earth can show the elevation of the selected point near the bottom of the screen. And that's it. You now know how to find elevation using Google Maps and Google Earth. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.